welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making an Easter-themed cake. Let's get started.
I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some pink fondant. I bought these Easter-themed cutouts, and my daughters helped me cut out a bunch of them out of the colors we chose. These were cutters of Easter eggs, bunnies, butterflies, and chicks. Then we cut some out of turquoise fondant. And again out of yellow fondant. I know there's no rhyme or reason to the decorations, but I wanted to give the girls the freedom to decorate the cake themselves. So we just placed the decorations wherever the children wanted to. They're 6 and 9. But isn't Easter all about children anyway? I think this chaotic Easter cake is cute. It just screams made by children. I'm happy to give them the full credit for the design. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.